This particular storm that came through on August 18th, a pretty violent tornado. Our preliminary damage assessments that you have extreme damage in and around the George Marks Elementary School area. Estimates in property damage are about $7.5 million. You had over 6 structures, 5 of them single-family homes that were totally destroyed. 25 other single-family residents that were major damage, and another 42 with minor damage. County forces really have been out there since the storm hit. They've been out every day. They worked a lot of long hours.